Dayanidhi Maran is saying that we are giving laptop to get job, getting to study, but in North India, students are used to stay in houses. They are not. They told not to go for job.
Women, huh?
Yeah, Dayanidhi. Yeah.
Women he is telling. So first of all, Dayanidhi Maran and all the other DMK leaders should stop discriminating our brothers and sisters from other states. Because let them talk the pride of their state. Even I belong to Tamil Nadu. I talk the pride of my state, but I am not degrading the sisters and brothers of other states. Another thing, laptop NDA government from Puducherry, I was LG. We gave 4 years back itself, we have given laptop. It is not Dayanidhi Maran who is giving the laptop, DMK. And another thing, they are portraying their photos and they are threatening the children who are having the laptop. If you are removing the photos, ELCOT won't give guarantee for those. So they are threatening by giving laptops and encashing that for voting. So this is the unity in diversity. They are in parliament. They are with all the other MPs. How can they degrade? So the development, our Honorable Prime Minister, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Women empowerment there in all over the country. Women, the ministers are there. Women, finance ministers there. External affairs minister was a women. And all together, Beti Bachao, Beti Badao. That is the scheme of our Honorable Prime Minister. How can he say the women of other states are not growing? Honorable Prime Minister is having a scheme for Beti Badao, Beti Bachao. So this is the highly indecent comment from the Dayanidhi Maran. I highly condemn it. We can talk our pride. At the same time, we cannot degrade any state. That is not allowed. He has no moral right to talk about other state leaders or ladies.